Here I bring you to see how we separate the rice from the store.
Wow.
Come here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello เด้อสวัสดีค่ะ So Jang, what we do here after we harvest the rice yesterday, now what we do is we're hitting them to separate. This is very old style, traditional. Long ma? Let's try. Come on. Okay. Share first. Yeah, I'll share long. I'll share long ma. I will be paparazzi. Celebrity in town working in the rice field. All right. ข้าวมันกระจายเยอะป่ะ Alaka, Alaka, I speak to you. Let's check. Is there a lot of rice left? Finish? Malaya. Let me see. I zoom in. Good job. Yeah, another one. Now, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. New one. We make a new one. Moment, Nat, you need to have this one. This is a uniform, farmer uniform. Yeah, เป็นชาวนาแล้วใส่หมวกแล้วเป็นชาวนาแล้ว No sunglasses. Farmer, no sunglasses. Okay, hit it. Can you be more angry? Good job.
Going everywhere.
You're so sweet. Can you hit them harder? ตีมันกลัวมันเจ็บเนี่ย Yeah. Is it finished? Let's take a look.
No.
No, still
Someone there.
someone there. Good job. That